Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to switch accounts on Temu. So to start, open Temu app. Then once you open Temu, click on You at the bottom center. Then in here, click the settings icon besides the headphone icon at the top right. Now once you click on settings, what you need to do is to scroll down and click on switch accounts. Choose your account from here. You can also add another account. So choose your account, just click on it. Then sign in, click continue. Then click on continue and just wait for it. And that's it. That's how you can switch accounts on Temu. So again, just click on you at the center bottom. Then click the settings icon at the top right. Then scroll down and click switch accounts. You can also click sign out. Then from here, click on switch accounts. Then choose your account. Then just follow the following prompts and that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.